Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Atanu Tech Talk, and this is a tech channel in Bengali version. And right now, if you are a daily viewer of my channel, you can understand, and this video is going to be in English or Hindi, something which I don't know properly, so sorry for my broken English, pardon me for my broken English. And this video is only for the user who are using custom ROM in your phone, so please skip if you don't have any custom ROM in your phone. So let's get started. What I want to say, video is for the call recording feature, and this is the AOSP call recorder, which is Android open source project, and there is a telephone apps in the AOSP package which includes the call recorder in the proper way. ROMs having GApps already included that have the Google dialer, which don't have any kind of call recording, and also there is a call recording in the Google dialer, but that is very bad because someone which are you talking with the phone, and if you press the call recording button in the Google dialer app, the Google dialer will tell the other person that this call is now being recorded. So what will be happen, the someone who from other side, he understand that the call is being now recording, so he will not tell which he want to say you, right? So that's why the call recording from Google is not that great in terms of uses, right? And one more thing, who are using AOSP build ROM like Corvus OS or Lineage OS or Sierra Droid or something like that, you have already these features, but if you flash the GFs package full version, then you will not get the features. But one option you have, you can get it by flashing full version of GFs. I will tell you right now. If the ROM have two options, one is vanilla build, that is non-GFs build, and one is the GFs build. If you are flash the GFs build, then it will include the Google dialer apps. So while installing the custom ROM, please select the vanilla build and flash GFs package, which less features. And if you want to flash the full version of any GFs package, then there will be two options. One is Nick GFs and one is Flame GFs, and that is customizable. How? If you want to flash particular apps from the GFs package, you can do it. If you don't want to flash one or two apps or something like that, you can also do that. There will be a notepad in the website from which GFs are you going to install. How can you modify it? Simply check the website from where are you downloading, or the ask in Telegram group that how can you modify the installing package. So skip the Google dialer package from the GFs package and install the rest of the GFs, and it will not install Google dialer in your phone. Then you will get the AOSP dialer in your phone pre-installed, and surely it will have the call recording features. Now main point is, if you are installing, if you have Pixel experience, because this is the super smooth and super stable custom ROM right now for any of the device, Pixel experience or having Evolution X, which have already installed Google apps, and you don't have any option to remove Google dialer from your phone. So right now file, which I will provide the link in description, but link is not mine, link is from Mr. Alon. So just install and just flash from the recovery, and boom, you will get the call recording from AOSP dialer, right? What you're going to do is, first of all, flash the G package, which I will provide in the link, then go to settings and go to default app setting and choose the default dialer as to AOSP dialer. So let's go to my mobile and I will show you how. So right now this is my Redmi Note 4 device, and if you click the link which I provide you in the description, you will redirect to this website. So there I have three options, right? First AOSP dialer, second have Google dialer, and the third one is AXET dialer. So I tell you why you not to install Google dialer. So we are going to install AOSP dialer. So click on the AOSP dialer folder, and there will be so many options. So let me change the view. So that's right now you can see AOSP dialer Magics, AOSP dialer Magics, AOSP dialer recovery and uninstaller, right? So you have to we are going to flash AOSP dialer recovery R0, which I flashed. So I am going to flash AOSP dialer recovery. So first of all, I just download the package AOSP dialer recovery and also download AOSP dialer uninstaller. Why? If you are going, if you get any error or something like boot loop, then you can also uninstall the package which you just flashed, flashed, right? So I'm going to download the AOSP dialer recovery package. So I'm not going to show you how to download it because you are already a super user, so I don't have to show you. So right now is already downloaded, I think, because I'm using that. So right now, here is my package. It should be in download. That is the package AOSP dialer recovery. Okay, so first of all you need to go to boot into custom ROM. So I'm going to show you. Power off and restart and go to recovery, right? So it's booted into recovery, which is orange box and beautiful logo. So right now I'm going to flash the zip file which I just downloaded and link. I don't want to say something again. So download folder where you download it. So in my case I have in the download folder. So there is the zip file, I can see AOSP dialer recovery zip, and I'm going to flash it. So I have to flash and AOSP dialer mod. So wipe cache and just reboot system. That's it, you don't have to do anything. So right now is going back to my home screen, I hope so. There is a beautiful logo of MI. Logo is beautiful, but the MI UI is not that great. And the logo is beautiful from Google, and I hope this is the boot animation from Pixel device, I hope. Now, and there is a app called Telephone which you just flashed, right? So I'm going to transfer it to my home screen, and you have to do one more thing, that is go to settings and go to apps and notifications, and then go to advanced and go to default apps and change the phone app to this, because this is default means this is Google dialer, and right now which I just installed is that. So I just press this and go and dial something. Sorry, this is Google dialer, this is the AOSP dialer, and I'm going to dial 198, which is the customer care, and yes, there is the option call recording, and you can record the call. Hello, and I hope this will work for everyone. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and please tell me in the comment section if you get any help from me from this video. So, and if you are from Bengal or you understand Bengali language, then please subscribe to this channel. I just make video about tech related video with fun touch, right? So thank you, thanks for watching.